What's up, guys? This is Max's Race Hub, and I'm coming at you guys again a little late, so I'm gonna have to keep it down here in the video just to not wake up the whole family. I have 2 little chihuahuas, so the second they hear a footstep, it's ridiculous. They just bark their lives away. So today we actually have 3 diecasts to show you guys. These are just new ads. I'm not doing reviews yet, just because I don't really know how I want to do reviews, because there is a lot of reviews of NASCAR diecast on YouTube. And honestly, they aren't my favorite NASCAR diecast videos to watch. My favorite NASCAR diecast videos are honestly just people showing off the new ads they got and the new cars that they've obtained. Just because, I don't know, it's the one thing that consistently changes. If you're a collector, I just know that if I was to review a car, I don't know, I just think that they're a lot more boring than unboxing videos, haul videos, new ads, or actually filming and going out and looking for them on video. But today we have 2 packages. One of them is from a seller I've known for a long time, and another box and the other 2 cars are from a random seller that I got a really good deal on eBay. And so we're just going to open these up, because these are all 3 of these are really rare cars. I don't know that much information on 2 of them. I know somewhat a little information on 1 of them. So I'm going to start with the first box, which is just the 1 car. And we'll get this open without trying to tear up the box here. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. It's funny, I get so stumped. Oh, okay, that's how it goes. I was low-key about to say. Let's see if I could get this open in a timely manner for y'all. And I also have another little announcement going on. If you guys don't know already, I have a NASCAR diecast Instagram that I post all my new ads and all my swap meet finds, and honestly everything in my collection is on my Instagram. I'm selling this 2011 Casey Kane Red Bull number 4 Toyota Camry. I'm selling this for $50 shipped, and it doesn't have the outer box. It's just this and the plastic insert, but it's mint and there's no scratches or anything on it. If you put in the comments that you're interested, I might see it, but the best way to get this car is to message me on my Instagram at NASCAR diecast 164 and just send me a DM, and we could discuss shipping and getting you guys the car. So here we go, boys. Just gonna dump the packing peanuts out. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's in really good condition too, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully I could save the bubble wrap, maybe not. I'm a recycler. And I don't think it's gonna happen today, boys. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh. So I saved the bubble wrap. I'm sorry this is a longer video, but if you guys already saw, you guys must know then. See, I don't know if you guys could tell me what the hell the deal is with the kids series. I'm so not familiar with that, and I have no idea what that even means. The kids series. Oh my gosh. What year is this? What year is this? What year is this? Oh, Churchill Downs officially licensed product. So with that, I just gave it away. This is David Rudiman's number 44, UPS Kentucky Derby. Oh my gosh. Toyota Camry. Yeah, this is a Toyota Camry. This got to be a Camry. Yeah, Toyota. Damn it. I hate that I can't find it. David Rudiman's number 44, UPS, Kentucky Derby, Toyota Camry, COT. This is a really, really nice car, and I love the Kentucky Derby theme on this car with the number and everything. You guys can't really see that. The 134 right there on the side. But the box honestly looks really good, and I don't have a number 44 UPS car, and to get the Kentucky Derby one, wow, this is a really nice scheme. I'm sorry if these videos are a little bit boring. I mean, honestly, all they are is just me opening up my new ads. That's why I want to figure out some new video ideas. And look at this. Look how terrible this is. You guys can't really see that, but they screwed my box up so bad. They didn't take care of it at all. And this is full of packing peanuts. Yay, I'm so thrilled. No, I'm not. You guys know I hate packing peanuts, but I guess that's the only way to keep them safe. Oh my god. I straight up just almost dumped that everywhere. Alright boys, here we go. Like I said, all three of these cars are rare. I'm sorry this video is taking a little bit long. I really need to get my unboxing skills down, or just skip that. I really don't know what I want to do yet. And yes, I like to take care of the wrapping. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow, they are. They look like I just bought these from the track. Kyle Busch's 2008 Susan J. Corman for the Cure in the pink box. That's so wet. That is so wet. And all of these are mint, boys. I'm not buying cars in the box that aren't mint. If they have scratches or chips on them, I don't want them. Especially for the money I'm spending. But good thing, I really didn't spend a lot for these. Ryan Newman's. Yeah, this is also a kids series. I really don't know what that means, but this is Ryan Newman's 2008, I'm pretty sure, The Mummy Kodak car. Oh my god. This is my favorite, but I've been looking for all three of these cars. I actually haven't been looking for this one, to be honest, because I didn't really know about it. And this was the only listing on eBay. But I really appreciate you guys watching the video. I'm sorry if it was a little bit boring. I'm really excited that I got these, and so I'm going to go check them out a little bit more. See you guys.